Being a winner is a curse. It doesn't matter how much you've won before. You're not a winner until you win again.
Let's go.
And again, and again. Nothing is enough. No one understands. And you never want it to stop.
Mag-starter ka muna.
For Lisa.
Sunday na naman, so it's definitely a game day. This is Lala, your new courtside bestie, only here at the Brittany Neapolitan Basketball League. And to start our Sunday, of course, sinimulan nito ng Aberdeen at Banbury, where Aberdeen took the victory. Now let's welcome our best player of the game, number 28, Laguta, with 20 points, 4 assists, 7 rebounds, and 1 steal. So hello, Mr. Best Player of the Game.
Good morning po.
Good morning. Okay. So nalaman namin na last game Sunday, natalo kayo ng Neapolitan. So ano yung naging game plan ninyo para syempre bumawi kayo this game?
Siguro naging game plan lang siguro ng team kasi inaral din namin yung kalaban namin yung kalaban Banbury ata. Alam naman namin yung play talaga nila sa outside shooting. So ang game plan talaga namin, depensahan yung shooter nila. Kaya nagdepensa kami ng either 1-2-2 or 1-3-1 na depensa.
Grabe talaga. Kung may game plan tayo, may tactic kayo over the weekend. So paano nyo naman, sir, na-maintain yung momentum? Kasi grabe, kita natin from quarter 1 up to quarter 4, 18, 29, 46, 68, na-maintain nyo talaga na kayo yung leading.
Siguro sinipagan lang namin kasi kung titignan mo sa tao pa lang kulang na agad kami. Parang 10 lang ata yung rotation namin. Sila talagang kumpleto na 15 yung lineup nila. Saka kung titignan, mas bata yung mga player nila. So talagang sinipagan lang namin, tapos yung sinundan lang namin yung game plan namin, saka depensa talaga.
Grabe. So paano yung, last question tayo, sir, paano nyo hinandle yung pressure? Kasi na-mention mo nga rin, di ba, na yung rotation ninyo medyo maliit lang. Kasi yung yung mga benches ninyo medyo onti lang compare sa ating competing opponent. So paano nyo ito hinandle?
Siguro yun nga, nagtiwala kami sa depensa namin. Then yung opensa, parang gagaan na lang yan Go with the flow na lang, ma'am. Yun lang po.
Ayun. So, thank you so much. Congratulations once again. At eto, syempre, yung Swiss Republic, meron tayong sponsor tayo. And gift nila para yan this game. So, thank you so much. Thank you so much. And congratulations. Thank you. So, thank you so much. Of course, we would like to thank Swiss Republic for being our perfume sponsor for this game. Nasa SM Fairview po sila. So, just visit them to avail their, of course, best-selling perfumes. Once again, this is Lala, your courtside bestie. So thank you so much to our best player of the game, Mr. Lagutao. So we have here right now is yung coach naman ng Team Aberdeen, Sir Joey. So hi, Sir Joey. Good morning. Kamusta naman ang araw mo ngayon?
Good naman. Siyempre, it's Sunday. So lahat to ng mga ballers dito, lahat ng mga players dito, gustong-gusto nila yung Sunday dahil nga sa Brittany Basketball League.
Yes, perfect. So sir, natanong ko kanina si best player natin kasi galing kayong pagkatalo last Sunday with versus Neapolitan. So as the coach naman or as the leader of the Team Aberdeen, paano niyo minotivate yung team members ninyo para syempre bawi tayo, yung tactic natin is ganito. Paano po ginawa niyo to over the week?
Lagi ko sinasabi sa kanila na magtiwala lang kayo sa bawat teammates nyo. Lahat yan kayang tumira, kayang mag-shoot. Basta kailangan laruin lang yung game natin, yung mga play, pasa-pasa, wag yung kanya-kanyang strategy. Kasi etong game na to is talagang team game para sa ano. So yun. Then siguro breaks of the game, na namin yung may mga unforced error yung mga kalaban. So doon namin na nakapuntos kami dahil sa mga mga mali nila, error, unforced error.
Thank you, sir. At syempre, nakita natin, sinabi ko rin kanina kay Mr. Lagutao na na-maintain nyo talaga yung momentum niyo from first quarter up until fourth quarter. Kahit nga parang may setback kayo na onti lang yung rotation ninyo, how did you guys do it? Paano? Kasi syempre, onti talaga yung players ninyo, medyo pagod. Tapos yung in between quarters, medyo madalian lang yung rest natin. So how did you overcome that, guys?
Dun sa ganong sitwasyon, pinipilit namin na makapahinga maski 1 minute yung player. Then kasi kailangan sila, lalo na yung starting 5 namin. So yun, pinipilit lang namin makapahinga, then sabak uli sa laro. Then yun nga, ang importante sa amin, hindi kami matakbuhan. Kasi once na natakbuhan kami, mahirapan kami umabol kasi ilan lang kami, mapapagod kagad kami. So, kailangan kami mag-set ng momentum sa game na yun.
Ayun. Thank you so much, Sir Joey. Sa yun nga, 'di ba? Start it with solid defense and offense from the very start of the game. So thank you so much, Sir Joey, and all the best sa upcoming games ninyo.
Thank you, welcome.